So we are gonna start with binary number. Okay, binary number. Binary number generally have a base 2. What is meant by this base 2 is that it can only handle 1 and 0. Just like when we talk about decimal, decimal has a base 10. Why it has a base 10? Because it can handle 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 because it has all these numbers and computer only deals in 0 and 1. So how this conversion actually happens? If I have a number 124 in because we are talking about decimal, so in decimal the base is nothing but 10 only. So how can I write this number as 1 into 10 to the power 3, oh sorry, 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 1, 4 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, why? Because it is nothing but 100 plus 20 plus 4 is giving me 124. So I have written these number like this. Same happens in a binary. In binary, uh, we deal with 2. In binary, we deal with 2. So how we deal with 2 is that we have 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. We have these kinds of number in decimals. So how it actually happens is, let assume I have 1 1. Let us assume I have a number 1101. So this 1101 can be represented in base 2 because it is a binary number. I am saying it as a binary number. Okay. So if it is a binary number, 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 and then 1 into 2 to the power 3. I can write these number like these. Okay. So what is this? 2 to the power 3 is nothing but 8. 8 plus 2 to the 4. Okay. And then 0 because 0 and then 2 to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So this value is 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So basically 1101 is equals to 13 in decimal form. So 1101 is base 2 is nothing but 13 in base 10, that is decimal. So computer basically, so the computer is converting it because it only works in 0 and 1 form. Now, okay, so what we done is that we have a binary number and we converted that binary number into a decimal number. Now let's convert a decimal number into a binary number. How? If I have a number, let's say 26. Now, if I have this 26, how will I write this 26? This 26 in binary is nothing but 2 to the power 10 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0, right? But if I have to expand this in binary form, so I'll have to deal with 2 to the powers. Okay. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6 is 64, and 2 to the power 7 is 128, and so on so forth. Okay, so now if the number is 26, I have to think of a number which is in 2 to the power, which is closer to this 26. So this 16 is closer, है ना? So this 16 is coming to be the closer number. So I can write as 16, okay, plus I have 10, 10 left हो रहा है. So I can write this 2 to the power 3, that is 8, and then 2 I can write this value, that is 2. So this is nothing but what? This is 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 1. Okay. So 26 can be written as 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 1. Okay. So I can write it like this. So now what I can do is I have this 26 and this was 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 1. Okay. So if I have to expand this, I can expand it like, okay, if I have to expand it, I can expand it like 2 to the power 4 into 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 is not present in this expansion. So I can just multiply it by a 0 plus 2 to the power 1, and it is, so I will, it is present in this expansion, so I will write it and multiply it by 1 because I needed it, and 2 to the power 0. Why? Because again it is not in this expansion, so I will just write a 0. Now what will I do is, now I will highlight the numbers, this one, this one, this 0, this one, and this 0. This will be the binary of 26. So 26 can be written as 1 1 0 1 0. It is always from the biggest power to the lowest power we write. So it is 1 1 0 1 0, and I can also check that is 26 1 1 0 1 0, is 26 1 1 0 1 0. Again I have to convert this, so I will write 2 1 into 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 to the power 5, so it will be 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, so what will be the numbers that I will be required is 2 to the power 4 because it is multiplied by 1, and it is 16 plus again 1, that is 8. This is 0, so this will be cancelled, then 2, and this is again 0. So this is 16 plus 10, that is 26. So the only thing to convert this number is nothing, that binary we need a 2 and in decimal we require a 10, and from this we can convert any type of conversion. Now let's talk about addition, binary addition. How binary number can be added? If I have 1101 plus 1111, so if I want to add this, how will I add this? This is a binary addition. So I know that 1 plus 1 in decimal, okay, I can write it 2 because it is binary. In decimal is 2, and I have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 in binary is nothing but 10. 2 in binary is nothing but 10. How 2 is 10? Because this 2 can be written as 10 because uh, okay, so if I want to write 2, 2 is nothing but 2 to the power 1 है ना, into में 10. So this is how this 10 is coming out here. So basically okay, this is basically 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 0 into 0. Okay, so this is how the 10 is coming. So this is nothing but, okay, I'll tell again, I'll repeat it. Okay, so how this 2 is nothing, how 2 is coming, 2 is equals to 10. How? So 2 is equals to 10. Yes, 2 is equals to 10 because the 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 into 1, yes, plus 2 to the power 0 into 0. So this is 1 and this is 0. So this is how this 10 is coming out. So I'm converting this 2 into binary. If I have to convert a number into binary, I have to multiply it by 2. Why? Because I'm converting it into binary. Because I am converting it into binary. Okay, so now we know that 2 is nothing but 10. So what will I do is 1 plus 1 it was coming out as 2. Yes, it was coming out as 2 only, है ना? It was coming out as 2, and this 2 was nothing but 10 in binary. Okay, in binary. So this 0 will go here and this 1 will go here. Now 1 plus 1 is again 2, and this 2 can be written as this 10 in binary. So again a 0 and a 1. 1, 1, 1 is nothing but 3. So now 3 is nothing but 2 to the power 2 to the power 2. Okay, sorry, 2 to the power 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power 0 into 1 by, because this will 2 plus 1 is coming out to be 3. Okay, so this is 11. So 1 will be here and 1 1. Again 11 is coming out. So this addition will be equal to 11100. That is how addition works. What we have to do is we have to do a normal addition, and whatever the value is coming out in decimal, we will convert it into binary. We have to convert it into binary. So this value is 11100 by the addition. So that is how addition works